I told you that aging could soon be a thing of the past? That's right. Scientists and AI pioneers are on a mission to unlock the secret to a longer, healthier life, and the results are nothing short of mind-blowing. And here's the most surprising part. AI is already predicting how long you'll live. Yes, a death clock calculator claims to tell you your exact lifespan based on your data. We will discuss more on that later. But first, let's find out how is AI making all of this possible. Today, we will dive into the incredible ways AI is revolutionizing longevity research and pushing the boundaries of human health. So, is AI the ultimate game changer in drug discovery? Let's find out. For decades, drug development has been a slow and expensive process, often taking 10 to 15 years and costing over $2.6 billion per drug. But now, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry, accelerating drug discovery at an unprecedented pace. Startups like In Silico Medicine are leading the way in AI-driven drug discovery. They use deep learning and massive biomedical datasets to predict how new drugs will work before even testing them in a lab. In 2021, their AI identified a promising new treatment for fibrosis in just 46 days, a process that would normally take years. Other companies are also making big moves. Verge Genomics is using AI to tackle diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, mapping out their root causes to develop more effective treatments. Meanwhile, Atomwise is using AI to scan billions of molecules at lightning speed, searching for potential treatments for diseases like Ebola and multiple sclerosis. It's not just startups jumping in. Big pharmaceutical companies like Johnson & Johnson, Merck, and Eli Lilly are also investing heavily in AI. They're using it to cut research costs, speed up clinical trials, and even develop personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to a person's unique genetic makeup. In fact, a 2022 study in Nature Biotechnology found that AI-powered drug discovery could reduce research costs by up to 70%, making life-saving drugs available much faster. AI isn't just making drug discovery quicker, it's changing the entire future of medicine. By combining AI with genetics and patient data, researchers are moving toward a world where treatments are more precise, affordable, and accessible. The real question isn't if AI will take over drug discovery, it's when. Moving on, let's find out how AI is accelerating drug development. Traditionally, discovering a new drug could take up to 15 years and cost billions of dollars, making the process painfully slow and expensive. But AI is flipping that script, transforming drug discovery into a faster, smarter, and more cost-effective process. Instead of relying on trial and error, AI scans millions of molecules in record time, identifying those with the highest potential to become effective treatments. This means scientists no longer have to test endless combinations in the lab. AI can predict which ones are most promising before they even start. One of AI's biggest advantages is its ability to predict drug effectiveness before human trials begin. By simulating how a drug will interact with human cells, AI helps researchers anticipate risks, side effects, and overall success rates. This isn't just a small improvement, it's a game changer. The traditional method involves years of laboratory testing, only to have many drugs fail in later stages. AI reduces these failures early on, saving both time and millions of dollars in wasted research. Imagine trying to solve a puzzle with millions of tiny pieces, but you have no picture to guide you. That's what scientists faced with understanding how proteins fold. For decades, this mystery slowed down drug discovery. Then came AlphaFold, an AI created by DeepMind, which cracked the code and gave researchers a clear map of protein structures. This was a massive breakthrough, unlocking new ways to design medicines and even understand how diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer work at their core. But AI isn't just making drug research easier, it's reshaping the entire future of medicine. Instead of spending years testing endless possibilities, AI can now analyze vast amounts of data in record time, predict how drugs will behave in the human body, and help scientists develop safer, more effective treatments faster than ever. What used to take decades might soon be possible in just a few years, or even months. The way we fight diseases is changing before our eyes, and AI is leading the way. Now, what if AI could decode your DNA and predict your health? Let's dive in. Imagine a future where doctors don't just guess what treatments might work for you, they already know. AI is making that future a reality by analyzing human DNA like never before, uncovering hidden clues about aging, disease, and even how to stay healthier for longer. One of the most ambitious projects in this space is the UK Biobank's Proteomics Initiative, where AI scans human genes and proteins to detect patterns that could explain why some people develop certain diseases while others don't. This kind of deep genetic analysis is opening doors to earlier diagnoses, better treatments, and even ways to slow aging itself. Meanwhile, companies like GenBio AI are taking things a step further by creating AI-powered digital organisms, essentially virtual models of DNA, proteins, and cells. These models allow scientists to predict and manipulate biological processes with stunning accuracy, making it possible to test genetic therapies in a digital world before applying them to real patients. But AI's impact isn't just limited to research. It's already transforming how medicine is practiced. French biotech firm Auken has developed an AI-powered diagnostic tool that can detect biomarkers linked to colorectal cancer before symptoms even appear. This means AI isn't just helping us live longer, it could help us prevent deadly diseases before they even start. Looking ahead, AI's role in genetic therapy is only growing. By analyzing our genes, it can spot hidden disease risks, personalize treatments based on genetic profiles, and even help edit faulty genes using advanced CRISPR technology. The idea of curing inherited diseases at their root, once a distant dream, is now within reach. Now, we have a question for you. Do you think AI can really predict when you'll get sick? Well, yes. And it's already happening. By analyzing data from wearable devices, medical records, and even facial scans, AI can predict the likelihood of diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease years before they develop. For example, scientists have created an AI model called FaceAge that can estimate your biological age just by scanning your face. And here's the wild part. This AI has been proven to predict cancer patients' survival rates more accurately than human doctors. And then there's the death clock. AI-powered lifespan calculators are now a reality. These tools analyze factors like age, weight, lifestyle, and genetics to predict exactly how long you might live. It's creepy, it's controversial, and it's only the beginning. So, how does AI predict disease before it actually happens? Wearable tech like smartwatches and fitness trackers are becoming useful tools for monitoring health. They track heart rate, sleep, and activity levels, while AI analyzes this data to detect potential issues early. For example, AI can identify irregular heart rhythms or unusual patterns that might need medical attention. In medical imaging, AI is helping doctors read X-rays, MRIs, and ultrasounds more accurately. It can spot early signs of diseases like cancer or heart conditions, making diagnoses quicker and reducing the chances of missing something important. AI is also improving predictive healthcare by analyzing large amounts of health data to identify risks and suggest preventive measures. By looking at medical history, genetics, and daily habits, AI can help people make informed choices about their health and alert doctors to potential concerns early on. These advancements are making healthcare more proactive, helping people catch and manage health issues sooner and more effectively. So, what is the future of AI? Can it help us achieve immortality? Let's get real, we're not there yet, but we're getting closer. AI is decoding the very process of aging at a cellular level. Scientists are using AI-driven gene editing, tissue regeneration, and cellular rejuvenation to slow and potentially reverse the aging process. Think that sounds far-fetched? So did people 50 years ago, when they heard about heart transplants, artificial intelligence, and self-driving cars. The reality is, AI is already transforming human longevity. Now, the big question is that how far can AI take us? AI-powered biohacking is no longer a what-if. It's happening right now. From AI-designed drugs to disease prediction, genetic analysis, and lifespan forecasting, the way we approach health is changing at an unbelievable speed. Will AI help us live longer? Absolutely. Will it help us live forever? That's the million-dollar question. What do you think? Is AI the key to human immortality? Or is there a limit to how long we can extend life? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe, because our next video dives even deeper into the most shocking AI breakthroughs yet.